Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Wealth Blueprint with tax planning. Dividend investing can help create a reliable income stream and support long-term wealth building. However, the amount of dividend income you receive is not always the same as the amount you keep. Taxes, fees, account types, and investment decisions can significantly affect your final return. Therefore, a successful dividend strategy should focus not only on generating income, but also on improving after-tax results. First, set a clear dividend income goal. Decide how much annual dividend income you want to generate, how long you plan to invest, and how much investment risk you can comfortably accept. At the same time, make sure you have an emergency fund before committing large amounts of money to dividend investments. A clear goal helps you estimate how much capital you may need and which strategy is suitable for your financial situation. Next, choose the right investment accounts. Dividend investments may be held in taxable brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, or other tax-advantaged accounts, depending on the rules available in your country. Each account type has different tax benefits, withdrawal conditions, and investment limits. Therefore, matching the account type with your investment goal can help reduce unnecessary taxes and improve long-term compounding. After that, focus on quality dividend assets. Instead of selecting a stock only because it offers a high dividend yield, examine the strength of the underlying business. Look for profitable companies with stable cash flow, consistent dividend growth, and a reasonable payout ratio. Broad dividend exchange-traded funds can also provide diversification across many companies and industries. This helps reduce the risk of relying too heavily on one company. Then, understand the basic tax treatment of dividends. In some tax systems, qualified dividends and ordinary dividends may be taxed at different rates. The length of time an investment is held may also affect its tax treatment. In addition, selling investments can create capital gains or capital losses. Because tax rules vary by location and personal circumstances, investors should understand the rules that apply to them. Furthermore, consider asset location. Asset location means deciding which investments should be placed in taxable accounts and which should be placed in tax-sheltered accounts. Investments that create higher taxable income may be more suitable for retirement or tax-advantaged accounts, while more tax-efficient investments may be suitable for taxable accounts. Proper asset location can reduce tax drag without changing the overall portfolio allocation. Next, track the after-tax yield rather than focusing only on the advertised dividend yield. After-tax dividend income can be calculated by subtracting taxes and fees from gross dividend income. For example, if an investment pays a high dividend but also creates high taxes and charges, its net return may be lower than expected. Therefore, compare net income, expense ratios, transaction costs, and applicable tax rates before making a decision. In addition, use smart tax strategies carefully. Dividends may be reinvested to purchase additional shares and increase future income through compounding. However, reinvestment should remain consistent with your portfolio allocation and cash flow needs. Tax loss harvesting may also help offset certain taxable gains where permitted. At the same time, avoid unnecessary buying and selling because frequent turnover may create additional taxes, fees, and record-keeping requirements. Retirement withdrawals should also be planned carefully to manage taxable income. Finally, review and rebalance the portfolio regularly. Check whether one stock or sector has become too large, evaluate the tax impact of proposed trades, and rebalance with as little tax drag as possible. Good record-keeping is also important for tracking purchase prices, dividends, capital gains, losses, and account activity. An annual review can help ensure that the portfolio continues to support your income goal and risk tolerance. Throughout this process, monitor important measurements such as dividend yield, dividend growth rate, payout ratio, tax rate, fees, and net income. These indicators provide a more complete view of portfolio performance than dividend yield alone. At the same time, avoid common mistakes such as chasing extremely high yields, ignoring taxes, holding an undiversified portfolio, and trading too frequently. A very high yield may sometimes indicate that the company is under financial pressure or that the dividend may be reduced. Therefore, quality, sustainability, diversification, and tax efficiency should work together. By following this blueprint, investors may keep more of their dividend income, improve tax efficiency, lower portfolio risk, and support long-term compounding. However, this information is provided for educational purposes only. Tax rules vary by country and personal situation, so professional tax or financial advice may be necessary. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.